this misconception, wrong application, misuse, and to make the people mushrik and kafirs. This is very old practice. And Holy Prophet ﷺ condemned this practice from the very beginning. So whatever is being done here in London, in UK and Western world, just violating the Sharia concepts, misguiding the people, wrongly applying the Tawheed concepts and Islamic concepts and verses, misusing the verses of Holy Quran, issuing wrong degrees and wrong fatwas, and creating distortion in Sharia and Aqaid and Aqidah and Islamic concepts. This is not a thing which has been started now. It was used by Khawarij in the beginning. This is the Khariji way of interpreting Islam. The Khariji way of interpreting Islam. The first sect which came out of Islamic Ummah, the first deviating sect, who deviated, the first people who deviated, the people who deviated first time from the mainstream of Islam, mainstream of Sunnah, they were Khawarij. That's why Khawarij were known, that they went outside the Islamic ambit or orbit of Islam, the basic outline of Islamic teachings. Kharij, they went away, they went outside Islamic limitations. They were Khawarij, but it doesn't mean that they were not using the name of Islam and Quran. They were declaring other people as sinful and mushriks. And they were claiming to be great muwahhids. And so it is, I am quoting you Sahih Bukhari. As Abdullah bin Umar says, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Imam Bukhari has quoted about Abdullah bin Umar's practice. Imam Bukhari says, Kana ibn Umara yarahum shirara khalqillah. He says that Ibn Umar used to consider them, whom? The Khawarij and Mulhideen, the Khawarij, the worst of Allah's creatures. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar, the son of Sayyidina Umar al-Khattab, he used to consider them the worst of Allah's creatures. This is what Imam Bukhari is telling. Why? Why he used to consider the Khawarij the worst of creatures? Were they not praying? They were praying. They were reciting Holy Quran. They were performing all religious acts and faraid and sunnah. And they were more strong. They were stronger than anybody else in recitation of Holy Quran, in praying, in fasting, and performing other Sharia acts. They were sound and profound than anybody else. In spite of this fact, he used to consider these Khawarij the worst of Allah's creatures. Why? Then the reason which he has quoted, Qala innahum talaqu ila ayatin nazalat fil kuffar faja'aluha alal mu'minin. The reason is, Imam Bukhari says that these people took some verses of Holy Quran that had been revealed concerning the disbelievers. They used to take some verses of Holy Quran which were revealed for disbelievers, for kuffar, concerning the disbelievers, and interpreted them as describing the believers. So they used to extend them wrongly to believers. They used to extend them wrongly. They used to apply their hukm and their meanings wrongly on believers. So all those verses which were revealed to condemn shirk and condemn kufr in connection of disbelievers and the mushrikeen and kuffar. They used to take and pick up those verses and they used to apply them on mu'mineen and awliya and sahaba and tabi'een and ahlullah and salihin on mu'mineen and say this, you say this is shirk and they are mushrikeen, this is kufr and they are kafireen. So whatever was revealed about disbelievers, they used to take and put and apply on the believers. The same is being done now. For this particular act, they were so much condemned that Abdullah bin Umar, a companion of Holy Prophet ﷺ and Mufassir and Muhaddis among the companions, according to Imam Bukhari, used to consider them the worst creatures of Allah.